Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Canva for social media graphics. First step, visit the Canva website. So go to canva.com and then sign up and log in. If you don't have an account on Canva, create an account or log in to your email like Google account or Facebook account. Step 2, choose a social media graphics template. So in here, just go to social media and you can see now the template that you can use for your social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. You can also click a create a design button at the upper right corner and search for social media. Now customize your design. After you're done creating a design, you can save and download your design. Just click the share button at the upper right corner and then scroll down until you see download to download those images. So that's how to use Canva for social media graphics. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.